I want a lawyer.
Yeah?
Oh, well.
Get a good one. And when you call me, tell him you're under arrest.
Stop. Stop that. Y'all stop that.
Oh, you never saw the attacker. He hit you from behind.
It wasn't Henry.
You and Henry had a fight when you came home from the march. You want to tell us about that?
You scared?
He figured out.
Then why don't you tell us where you were after midnight on March 15th, March 29th, and April 9th? And please don't say that you were at the restaurant, because we already checked.